During last week's COVID-19 briefing, it was announced that proof of COVID-19 vaccination will be a requirement for entry into Namibia, similar to the requirement for travelers to produce certificates of vaccination against yellow fever in some countries. This means vaccination for foreigners entering Namibia is compulsory. This requirement was deemed troublesome to the tourism sector.
I think there was a bit of a misunderstanding. Yes, it's true, but as it was indicated on Saturday last week, an amendment to the regulation was passed. The initial regulation indicated that as a requirement to enter Namibia, non-Namibians have to produce or present a proof of vaccination against COVID-19. However, that proved to be challenging, and it was then decided that an amendment be gazetted, and that amendment related to providing for additional options for travelers, non-Namibians, to enter the country, and that is that they may present proof of full vaccination against COVID, and they may also provide or present a negative PCR test that is not older than 72 hours. And the third option would be that for countries that are still doing it, a traveler may produce a certificate of de-isolation for a person who may have been isolated because of COVID-19. So those are the three options that are available to travelers coming to Namibia, and we believe that this must have addressed the concerns that were raised when the initial regulations were passed.